Guys, how are you? Hello world. What are you doing? What is your view regarding us? Tell me about. So, you're welcome in the Techee era, and this is the new lecture series of the digital logic circuit. Okay, so digital logic circuit is most important topic, and it is most basic topic for the electrical and electronics and computer science student, and also tech lot of aspirant of who work in the technical line and technical era, and who want success in the private sector field and product, like anyone wants to create a oven machine, anyone, and you want to create like washing machine, state machine, you want to create a plate of remote control. So these all things are developed by the digital logic circuit. So this is the first introduction and content, and what is the syllabus of digital logic circuit. So let's see. So digital logic circuit chapter 1. So what is the 1.1 topic? Digital computer. What is the digital computer? It follow only 0 and 1 and logic gate. What is the logic gate? And or not, boolean algebra, and identity, complement of a function, map simplification, product of sum of product, Karnaugh map. Basically, what is Karnaugh map, and what is the role of don't care condition in Karnaugh map, and what is the combinational circuit. This topic is most important in your gate exam, and to develop any circuit by using gate and not nor XOR NAND, and what is the half adder, what is the full adder, and what is the flip flop, then half adder, full adder. These all are the sequential circuit, and SR flip flop, D flip flop, JK flip flop, T flip flop, edge trigger. What is the edge trigger? Excitation table is same little bit state table. Sequential circuit, flip flop input, state table. I already tell you excitation table, state table, state diagram, design example. And this is the chapter 2, digital component. So what is the digital component? The integrated circuit, we already know IC. So, and second, decoder, NAND gate decoder, decoder expansion, and encoder. What is decoder encoder? Suppose we want to convert our 8 input convert in one output. So what we will use, what we shall use here, then we use the decoder. If we encode one two input in the four output, eight output, whatever you want, it is depend on you. Okay, You are a developer, you are an engineer, you are a scientist, you want to create a circuit. So it is depend on you how much input you need, how much output you wanna develop. Okay, so multiplexer, what is the multiplexer, what is the role of register? Register with parallel load, like we ever seen the 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, and 36-bit, 64-bit, but doesn't know what is it the role in the our computer configuration. We just suppose we buy a laptop and we doesn't know what is the use of 16 and what is the role of 16-bit and 18-bit. We just see the number of increasing order and just buy a laptop. So this is the register with parallel load. Okay, shift register, what is the shift register? Bidirectional with parallel load. Shift register, it shift, what is the meaning of shift? Shift right and shift left. And bidirectional, it shift both direction in left and right. Binary counter with parallel load, and memory unit, random access memory, RAM, read only memory, types of RAM, read only memory, ROM, types of ROMs. And this is the chapter 3, data representation. So the first topic, data type. Second, number system. You already know what is the data type. And integer, floating, unsigned. And number system, octal. Hexadecimal number. You already know what is the hexadecimal. Decimal representation. Alphanumeric. What is the alphanumeric? 1 to A to Z and 1 to 9, 0 to 9. And complement, what is the complement? First is r minus 1 complement, second is rs complement. Subtraction of unsigned number. So subtraction is little bit complex in as compare the addition. Fixed point representation, integer representation, arithmetic addition, arithmetic subtraction, overflow condition. This is the most important topic regarding the stack and decimal fixed point representation, and floating point representation, other binary codes, gray code, other decimal codes, other alphanumeric code, error detection code. So we covered your syllabus 3.6, and then we covered the syllabus your chapter 3. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel and do subscribe this playlist, and also you can find our lesson on Facebook group, Facebook page. Thank you for watching.